Alright folks, I'm back. I've been kind of busy for the last couple of months anyway. Working, getting stuff done. I've had a few projects that I've gotten done that were for Christmas gifts and all that kind of stuff. I had COVID. Can't tell you all the stuff that's been going on the last couple of months. I'm back in the shop more now and hoping to get plenty of video out for you. I've got a couple coming up. I get a couple of knife sheath videos. One is a fail. I actually had a failure on a knife sheath. Just didn't work out. It failed twice. Yep, screwed it up twice. Is what it is. And then I'll have the final video of the second video of the knife sheath will be the successful one, and it actually turned out beautiful, and the customer loved it. So it's exactly what I needed it to be. A couple of different belt videos. I will have just a little strap replacement. Nothing super huge, pretty simple. I have a leather handle that I'm going to be recovering. And that's for another customer. So those things will get done. I'm working on some prototyping. I've been designing. I mean, it's cold out here in the shop, chilly anyway, but I've still been designing. I do all that in the house on my computer. So I've been designing. I did a DOP kit. It's a little smaller than most. Some of them are so big I don't know what all people are putting in them, but this DOP kit is more geared for like an overnight or a couple of day, a weekender kind of thing. And then I'm going to be doing a duffel bag or a weekender bag. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but I'm doing that one. Is going to be for me personally because I've been wanting to make one, and no, I'm gonna. That one will be lined and should be pretty cool bag. Anyway, all that. So I'll put a link down below to my Amazon affiliate store. So I started doing affiliate links on stuff to hopefully bring a little extra money into the channel at some point. And that's kind of where I left that at. What else can you do? So I'll leave a link to the store. And let's see. Anything else? I don't think there's much else. I've just been busy working. I've been driving a lot. So, and being a local driver, I don't usually leave more than 150 miles from home. So I'm home every night, but it still gets to be a lot. I'll go to work, do my dispatching during the day, take off and drive for whatever I need to be driving. Sometimes I'll get home at 2, 3 in the morning. One morning I think I got home at about 4:30 in the morning. It was kind of a longer trip. So yeah, anyway, enough of that. You heard my life story now. We're just hanging out here. I'm going to get working on some of these projects. I'm hoping to take you along on them. So, y'all stay safe. God bless. Check out the affiliate store. It helps channel out. Any other links that I leave in videos will all be affiliate links. Hopefully. Some of them won't be. And I will separate them, so you know. And there you go. That's about it. I don't know what else to say. I can ramble on all day if I want to. Stay safe. God bless. And stay healthy.